world subject. Of course, we do group studies.
Sa kay ang okay guys sa set operations ata. So moingon ka yun. Katong hello na then kanang A. Oh, oh my God. It's a space in your language. Hello? Ayaw mo. Hello.
We have mathematics and modern world subject. Of course, we all have calculators.
Do you have calculator? Magdali ako. We have mathematics in modern world subjects. Of course, we don't complain.
So, do you have any clarifications about number problems?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I guess you already understand. So, for now, I'm gonna give you two number problems.
Ma'am, pwede ko ba na? Ma'am, bala tayo tayo, ma'am. Di ka na ano ba? Quarter to 3 na.
We have a mathematics in modern world subject. Of course, we memorize all the formulas.
Uy, ano sa tayo yung formula sa world problems?
Oh, nakalimutan ko.
Oh,